ka ng weapons.
I'll keep my farewell brief. Never was much with words. Once you board this ship, there's no turning back. The next ground your feet will touch will be that
Actually,
of a
naka-record ako
new
na yan.
world.
Dapat lang. Wait ko na start.
If any of you have lost your nerve, then step away
Alt F4 mo
now
para mag...
and let no one judge
Lag?
you.
Alt F4 mo para
Very
mag-gusto ka
well.
ulit.
Then sail
Alt F4
safe and strong,
Hindi, okay na.
and may the sapphire
Sige na nga,
star
putik ka.
light your way.
Lalaro ba?
Hindi, naglalaro siya
Hindi,
mag-sunset.
di ko ma-exit cheats eh.
I-close mo dun sa Steam.
Hindi, okay na yan.
Ba narinig ko yung boses natin sa record mo?
Hindi, okay lang.
The thing with monsters is you gotta find out soft spot. Sometimes you have to poke apart.
Ezreal, oh. Naging Bane.
They can be very dangerous. Good friend.
Pag ako na-addict dito, Jade, ewan ko na lang.
Kailan paglagay. Alam ko na pala bakit hindi ko na-enjoy
Yo!
yung Switch.
Did you hear? We're almost there. You ready to grab this new world by the horns? Don't know about you. It feels like ages since I left home to join the commission. So, nervous? Believe you me, I get it. Anything could happen to us, but hey, that's
Yep.
happened.
Hey, aren't you one of the A-list hunters?
What? No way! So are we! Hey! Tell us your name!
Okay. Ano to? Bakit lalaki? Gusto babae? Paano to?
Ano ba?
Zoom out? Okay. Rotate?
Controller kami.
Hindi ako naka-controller eh. Ngayon, female. Nice.
Female din character ko. Naalala ko tuloy yung first time ko yun. Bumili ako ng PS4 para lang dyan eh.
Muli ka PS4? Para dito, hayop ka?
Oh. Tapos nag-release din pala sa PC.
Oh my. Ah, oo, naalala ko yun! Parang type ko sa buhay ko ah. Baka na, pares tayo na ano? Or tayo for fair.
Siguro, babae din yung character ko nun eh. Kagayahin ko lang ulit.
Wait, what?
Preset kasi yan. Parang ano na yan set.
Oh, bakit? Ayan. Thanks. Daming pagpipilian ah.
Chords.
Ito ba? Chords. Ito lalo, chords.
Go. Sakto pa sa buhok no.
Hirap naman, para pare-parehas lang.
Pag-uwi mo kasi yung buhok para makita mo ng buhok.
Sige. Meron tayo ng kalbo muna. Wala. Kalbo. Yan,
Ayun,
kalbo
kalbo.
na. Not bad. Go trip. May kamukha, hindi ko trip.
What?
Bruh. Not bad yung one. Parang sa yun. Kamukha ng HR ko pag ganito yun. Nampa-artista. Actually yung hugis ng mukha hindi kasama mata yung tinitingnan ko. Kamukha niyo sa ano pre si The Ancient One. Sa kay Doctor Strange.
Oo.
Kamu kayo?
Alam ko sasabihin mo yung sa Shaolin Soccer. Ay, mod.
Ay, 30.
Shaolin na yun.
Pero may nakita na ako kanina 19 ata yun. Ayun.
19.
Dito, halos ng baba. Buti pwede na mag-ano na.
Matalas pa yun.
Ayun no, ang pronounce oh. Ay, mas pronounce pala to.
Hindi ko alam.
Baka, ano ko, 19 or 1 ata.
Yun ang yung one na lang.
Baka kay 1 na lang. May 1 parang, ayun oh.
Ang basic.
Gusto ko yung ganyan, basic girl. Skin. Ay! Putik na nagkaroon ng sakit!
May blush pa. Oo, yun.
Kaya nga eh. Wrinkle volume. Gawin natin 50% lang. Parang hindi kita eh. Hindi naman din makikita ito, no?
Yeah. Pwede mo naman, may layered arm mo naman. Pwede naman rin tanggalin ang top.
Hairstyle. Isa na yung kanina. Isa na yung my girl. Where's my girl? .1 yung kanina ata, di ba?
Yan.
So yung maikli ko. 7.1. Turn color eh. Ito gusto ko. Babago yung buhok.
Kala mo puputi ka eh.
Puti nga. Ba't ayaw?
Magpuputi ka rin.
Puti ka rin ba?
Oh, pati yung character ka nun.
Fucking.
Parang
Hindi,
silver-ish.
sige. Balitan
Okay
ko
lang,
na.
okay lang. Okay lang.
Parang blue, parang blue.
Yung silver
Use
platinum
safe palette.
touch, ano.
Ito. Ba't? Yun?
Sige, magpati ka na rin.
Blue ako. Yeah. Eyebrows. Ay, putik na to. Kumikilay po eh. Ano to? Bakit may 13, 14 tapos may brown type? Ba't pa nagkalbo muna ako? Paano yung change color ng eyebrows? Tingnan natin. Okay.
There, fellow Sony players, Justice League is very exciting news. Was released in
Same
78
color. Ayun, wala. Depende yung parang color naman.
a very special place in my heart as the most fun zombie apocalypse survivor.
Ito character mo.
I've been a huge fan of the genre pretty much since childhood, and despite the fact that I've got
Gusto na yung mata kanina.
I continue to learn more and more about it as we all. I also have the eternal future of the channel.
Tagal ko ng akin.
What's happening right now.
Nakadroga to.
So here we go. This development is wrapping up, and the first dev stream coming to a major 90 PM Central, and it's literally coming in the next day or two. So I said, stream is also releasing before next week is fighting not fighting. So I'm going to put my big up, but I'm actually eventually I'm looking forward for people really fit into the next October. One of the most exciting factors about this 7 days, 24 minutes. The conflict here will find this has been a long time coming. This is very much involved. There is also a big civil war for a conflict to summarize the one of my
What the fuck? Lalaro pa ba? Magpipindus na. Mag-out na ako.
Sige, sige lang.
Bago.
Di na?
Isang oras pa yun eh.
9.
9.
Yan, 9 eh. Isang oras pa nga.
Kaya gani kung mag-GG tayo. Mag-GG pa ba o hindi? Ano ba?
Mag-GG pero
Mamaya na,
tapos
after
mamaya na lang.
After Pindus. Hindi rin.
Lagi mag-out na kayo mamaya. Anong oras matatapos yung Pindus eh? Kaya pa 1 game. Tara 1 game.
Sure.
Ito water shake salad. Anong laro?
Kabay. Ay, dami kasi.
What? Magic category kong. G.
Expression, what's that? Oh my lord! Hindi ko marinig yung ano.
Naka-voice ka ba? Gesture yan eh.
Ito meron. Ay, wait, Hunter. Default armor.
Yung... Ano yun pag naghubad ka? Ay, hindi. Yan pala yung first armor mo. May ganyan, no?
Finish na ako. Enter your name. Ay, putik, ang dami! Ayop na yan! Man, come on, man. Parang... Parang puti. Kala ko lalaro ka muna.
Ha?
Kala ko lalaro ka muna.
Ano po one game?
Ikaw yung one game doon.
Hindi, dito. One game.
For length. Siyempre makapal, pati mahaba. Okay na yan. Confirm. Pattern. Ito pattern. Pattern pa. Putik na yan.
Dati nabibili ang palay ko na yun. Pwede kang palit-palit.
Uy, gusto ko na ito. Yung eyes. Malaki mata. Gusto ko yung malaki mata. Tater, nag-customize kasi ako eh. Droopy. Putik na yan. Anong pang name na ito? Yun. Okay na, confirm na. Finish.
Finish.
Ba't ayaw?
Pali ko na eh. Paano nga ayaw?
Ayun na, okay na.
So,
Aba
how
pa yan,
about a
pre.
toast?
May intro game pa yan.
Accept Jade.
To the A-list! And the commission!
Cheers!
Yan. Find out of guilty.
So, tell me, what's your theory?
Nod ka muna
The
lang.
Elder Dragons must migrate to the New World for some reason. After running the research commission for 40-odd years, the Guild's itching for an answer. They say the Fifth Fleet's got the best shot at cracking this case, and I agree!
Keep it down. Hey, speaking of, A-listers usually operate in teams of 2. Have you sat down with your partner yet?
Listen to that. Getting rough out there. The waves are picking up.
Putik, bakit
That's
iba yung tsura
gotta
niya sa
mean
in-game?
landfall.
Yan nga yun. Ganyan talaga yun. Parang
You're
iba
on the
yung
A-list, right?
Parang ano pre, parang hindi yan yung kinrate
Yeah,
ko
you
eh.
do. I'm not psychic, but I do
Wow,
have
man!
pretty good ears.
Nabudol ako ng
hi there.
itatard,
I
ah.
happen to be an A-lister myself. Whoa!
Sa gagawin siguro yun.
Kakasimula pala, exit ko na kaagad. Tik din. Okay.
Hello? Anybody there? Hello? Oh, hey, it's you! Look what happened to the ship! We have to do something! It's not safe here! This way!
Okay. Eh, paano i-save to?
We need to get out of
Tapusin mo
here!
muna yun. Kanya,
I've got
tingnan
an
mo na sa
idea!
live.
This way!
Sa live mo.
Watch yourself!
Mahiya ka naman ganyan.
Grabe no, bumilis siya.
Mahiya ka naman.
Pre, alam mo ba? Nag-refund pa ako.
Bakit?
Kuman kasi na si JD.
Bumili ka kasi kalagad eh. Wala man naman.
Akala ko,
Ano ba yan?
pre, meron na siyang monster hunter. Kasi sabi niya, nag-save. Kaya, pre. Pero sabi niya, ano to? Ikaw na bubudulin ko, ganyan. Oh, sige, sige. Putik, pre, di ko alam yung ibang monster hunter. I mean, yung isang option.
Oh, wow!
Tapos, hindi pa pala siya nakakabili.
My first encounter would be filled with so
Dapat yung may
much
DLC kasi
Shoot!
yung hirap pala.
Budol ako eh.
No!
Trauma na sa
Moving
game.
again!
Talaga eh, no?
Hindi ko talaga bibitawan ng brainless.
At least core memory yan, pre.
Get your ride and get off this thing! Come on, let's go!
Bakit
Get a
nagsiship
good
ako?
head
Hindi naman
start,
nagdadash.
then jump!
Meron pa itong interaction? Putik, kala ko meron eh.
Wala.
Para Resident Evil, kung idadodge mo o ano.
Hindi natin isip yung mga matatagal na tutorial eh. Kaya sa display niyan, di ba?
Pero nagpipindos na nga dapat sila hunter eh. Nangyayari doon eh. Hindi ko maano eh. Hindi ko ma-exit eh.
Tama, laki lang.
Diyan.
At si Ara-Ara.
Sa labi ng data.
Updating.
The new world!
Oh my god. Kala ko isa na yun. Ang ganda ng topics eh.
Agit, pre. Kung araw. Siyempre, hindi ko sasabihin, pre. For my eyes only yun, pre.
Sure.
Ayan. Lagi puta nga lang.
Yun, saving. Okay na, pwede ka na exit?
Ano yan, pre? Consultation. Parang one-on-one. Papakita niyo yung gawa niyo. I-judge ko. Ang ina, pre. Para-parapan, di ba? Hindi ako nakatingin sa mukha sa dede ko.
Oh my god, man.
Someone must have set up this camp.
Gago halata yan.
Gagi, hindi. Malayo eh. Medyo, pre, one table apart. Pero syempre kasi tumitingin rin naman ako dun sa sa port. Sa
Well, part of one at least.
Parang, tumitingala ako. Instead sa mukha niya, pre.
Looks like we're right around here. The Research Commission's base of operations is here. This is where our ship was supposed to dock. For now, I think it would be best if we make our way to base. The map should help us find our way.
Picture mo na ba yan?
Sabi ko. May close up.
Wala save dyan, pre. Sa bahay ka lang pwede mag-save.
Hindi, asan yung sa mouse? Ang bilis ng sensitivity ko sobra.
Ay, kabila. Kaliwa.
Ito na.
Yan pala.
30 lang sa touch ako.
Mag-controller ka kasi.
Yeah.
So, okay bang controller dyan?
Yes.
Uy, ayos siya. Nag-ano rin pala siya. Hindi. Ano to? Journey. CPA na. Accountant na mo siya. Accountant na,
Sino?
pre.
Sino?
Yung tropa mo, pre.
Oo. Gets ko.
Look,
Tropa
the
mo,
Research
si
Commission's headquarters. Come on, let's get going.
Putik na yan. Gato talaga to, nasa right, hindi siya nasa middle, Jades.
Yung
character, yung position ng
According
character
to the
sa
map,
street.
to get to HQ, we need to...
Pero ewan ko sa'yo, bakit ganyan? Diba dapat gitna yan?
Yeah. Kanina nasa gitna, ayun nagigitna, tapos bilang...
These Aptonoths seem
Move
every bit as
W, dash!
docile as the
Bakit
ones back
nag-ship
home.
ako, hindi naman nag-ano.
Kasi rush shift mo. Ay, hold.
It looks like we need to go around.
Ito na yung hold. Yun nga. Pag ino-hold, tumatakbo.
Something's up. The scout flies are gathering.
Ito. Kita ako.
Alien.
Kill to?
Search ko sa FB, putang na yung friend ang
Ano?
yung isang prop ko na na kasamahan.
Friend.
I had the scout flies memorize my scent earlier. If you lose sight of me, just follow the scout flies, and they'll lead you right to me.
Hindi mo lads Eto.
Hinggit ka lang eh.
Napindot mo yung add friends, no?
We can push our way through these vines.
Okay. Lahat na in-interview mo, salang in-add mo, no?
Putik na yan. Okay. Sa'yo daw. Sabi, start menu, system. Tapos save.
Kailangan save yan.
Ba't sabi sa sinerch ko, observatory location?
Hindi ka pa pwede mag-save, tutorial pa yun.
Easy there.
Oo, pre.
Don't pick a fight if you don't have a weapon. We need to hide. Come on, this way. Hurry!
Wala pa.
Hurry up and hide.
Hit ko na to
Quietly.
Go.
Yeah.
Wait lang, nag-consultation. Bakit? Ano meron ba?
Checking lang nung gawa.
Quietly.
Lahat ba sila isa-isa?
Oo, pre.
Okay, the coast is clear. Let's get going while we still can.
The art of camouflage.
Baka gusto mong sumama sa amin.
Yagip, wait lang, hindi ko nga kayo nakikita dito eh.
400 lang yun. Hindi, Master Hunter.
Akala ko sa Dota.
Kaya ng,
Ngayon,
Nothing can stop
kaya ng
us.
graphics mo to, Betty? Hindi lang kaya ng storage siguro.
kaya ng storage ko, pero hindi kaya ng graphics.
Kaya ng graphics yan.
Kaya, mas mababa graphics niya, pre.
Pang PS4 yan.
PS4 ba yan?
PS4
Yes.
kaya. Dapat actually,
400.
There's
dapat
something here.
kanina actually, nagrarasta kami ni Ante.
What is this track?
Kasi ipapasok niya ako
There's
dun
more
sa
over
isang
there.
server.
Let's check it out.
Agad oh.
Nakupal to eh. Si Hunter eh. Kala niya, ano na, reset. Next week pa pala ako.
Hindi ka muna sumali para get to know.
Hindi pa ako sumali. Hindi pa ako sumali.
Basta makakasali ka lang sa dito ka pwede sumali.
Okay.
Ito pre, ang lakas ng sound. Di na kita
Don't
maintindihan.
mind me.
May bakbakan eh. Gagawin?
This way. Hurry.
Okay, let's go.
Move.
Field
GTX
team.
1050 pre.
Ha? Hindi ka na rin ganyan.
Oh, God.
Move. That is not good. What are you waiting for? Get over here.
Come on!
Jump! Hey,
You alright?
let's go.
Okay.
Pre, di kakayarin tang PC ko.
Ayan, pre.
Okay na to?
Okay lang.
Oh my god, ang tagal naman na ito, James.
Wow.
Ano yung nag-scratch na yun? Kaya yan, pre. Try mo.
Amazing. ain't it?
Matagal yung tutorial niyan,
Just look
pre.
at this gate.
Yok
It's
nga,
like nature
pupunta
meant
yung
for us to
Sony.
build a stair right here.
Stara.
Uy,
I like it.
Steam wallet eh.
Kaya ako naman naman Steam.
The rest of the fifth are already here.
Yok,
Sira na
yok.
nga dyan.
You're the last to arrive.
Ito lang yun. pre. Ay, pwede
Tama.
ka sa card mo yun. Ganun yung lang kayo dyan. Bumalik sa card mo.
Okay, set him down here. Take it
You
nice
need to
and
tape up your shoulder.
Ay, natanggap mo na ba dyan
Hey,
video mo?
you guys made it.
You right
Ah,
back.
wala nga. Paano ba ako?
You're alive.
Wala ko, papalap ko ba yun?
Huh?
Or hihintay ko lang?
When we couldn't find you two, we were starting to sweat bullets.
You scared us. We were talking about going out to look for you.
All's well that
May
ends
tawag.
well.
Hey, we need a hand.
Sorry.
Come on.
Kaso pre, yung
Catch you
estudyante
later.
ngayon, pre, babagsak sa akin, pre.
Titanongin, gusto mo bang pumasa?
This
Ay,
here's
gagi,
a
pre.
trade
Pass tayo
yard.
dyan, pass.
I guess the
Mahal ko
name
pa
says
buhay
it
ko,
all.
pre.
Babalitaan
Look
ka
at
lang
all the
namin.
Tanong
people.
ba? Mahal mo buhay mo, mahal mo siya.
Incredible,
Kaya,
right?
Damn.
You've got it all here. You've got hunters to do all the exploring,
Hirap sa pag-ibig, pre.
scholars to do
Na,
the research,
sakripisyo.
technicians to keep things going. This place is the beating heart of the commission.
Moral yung pinaglalaban eh.
Commander, I found him.
alam ko may skip yan eh.
Wala, pre. Wala skip yan.
Ayaw ko skip, naka-record ako eh.
Diretso lang yan. Nagkagay naka-record kayo din na.
Natabunan
Nare-record
na
na.
to
yung
a stir.
boses natin yung audio.
Oo nga eh. Adi, nakarating ka na pala sa ano eh.
Yan, tapos na yun.
Tapos na pala yun
Ay,
eh.
i-introduce pa ata yung bahay.
Your reputations precede you.
Tapos yung animal mo,
Well,
makikita mo pa ata
off you
yun,
go.
diba?
Okay, I'll give you the grand tour. Let's start by looking for your palico.
Piglit lang yun.
Putik, pali ko
This
pala tawag
is our
doon. Akala ko
stockpile.
yun ang pangalan niya.
They carry
Paliko.
most of the basic necessities.
You should drop by later to see what they have.
Yung ba no? Ikaw lang yung natanggal dun sa barko.
Okay na.
Next is the
Ang
smithy.
cool lang na.
This way.
I like the surroundings.
Yung ba talaga no? Ikaw lang yung pinabayaan.
Over here.
Tapos lahat sila buhay.
Talaga, bida kayo.
Inang yan. Dapat pala hindi ka na lumabas ng barko no? Ikaw lang yung tumansik eh.
You're with the Commission's 5th Fleet, right?
Talaga.
The old man in charge, my grandfather, was with the 1st. That was a long time ago. Me? I'm not with any fleet. Born and bred right here. Never even been to the old world. Here's our smithy. This is where you can craft weapons and armor. You'll be here a lot.
Wow! Look at this place.
Ano ba
Want to check
pre?
it out?
Pag naglalaro ka ba no commentary?
Depende. Ayun. Turinig naman boss na.
Ooh, it's
Kaya
toasty
hindi
in
alam na
here.
alam na nila. Pre.
Wala naman tayo na binabanggit na pangalan
Where
eh.
you going?
Oh, bakit?
The
Jasper T.
canteen?
Benyas.
I am so
Musik yan.
Oh my God! Pero yun, pre, come on, James. Wag.
God,
Ano, sabi ko na.
Here.
na-dox na nga.
Hindi naman naka-public
Over
yun,
here.
di ba?
Naka-public lahat. Depende. May video kami ni John na naka-private.
Oops, ang
Kasi yun talaga
Bakit
grabe
dahil-
usapan namin. Yung naglaro ako ng Enlisted. First game,
Well,
ano nga yun,
here's our
first video
canteen.
na Enlisted nga yun eh.
yung kay Ashley ba yan?
What the
Hey,
fuck?
over there.
Pre, una-una, hindi namin naging topic yun.
Ay, di ba nakita?
Iba pre. Pangalawa, what the fuck, sino si Ashley?
Kalahati?
Oh my God,
Tapos
baby!
yung bandit pa.
Ba't ka ba nagsama? Oh my God!
Gagit tinanong mo eh.
Hindi! Brett, kahit pala alam mo yan, magsabi ka man lang ng... Bakit siya napunta? Okay, anyway, bakit siya napunta?
Pinanood ko yung pre.
Right.
Pinanood ko yung
Calling for a
video
council.
din pre.
Okay,
Kasi
parang
pinaka-
ano ka.
Pinakumpisa
Pero
nung
hindi
pre,
yun.
ano? Sabi ni Joe na ano.
Now that you are all here, let us
Oo.
begin council.
Kilala niyo ba si ganito?
After tracking a
Pinanood
migrating
ko yun
elder
kasi
dragon, the Fifth
puro
Fleet have
kidding.
they're a fine group. Would you like to say?
Thank you, sir. We're ready to roll up.
This here is the Commission's core team. You should all get to know each other.
Looking forward to it.
Haba pala
Now,
niya.
down to business. The latest monster to make the Elder Research Commission.
Elder Dragon altering one seven.
With the Fifth's help, we
Sira
will
na yung
find
first
the
game,
missing link.
Here, here.
Now what a
Hunters, for the
Ano
time
mo
being,
na
I need you to start by investigating the
Hey,
Jaguars.
kung ako sa'yo pre, gawa ka na ng bagong
Everyone
character.
else, you know the drill.
Paghirapan ko
Make
pa
sure
ulit
these hunters
mag-record.
have everything
Oh,
they need.
come on, man.
Now we're talking.
You two, make
You heard him. Stick with me and you'll have no
the
problem.
Fifth banner
Ano,
promises a
first time
change.
ulit
All right,
maglaro.
dismissed.
Tapos,
Tapos na.
Ano ba yung save yan? Wala bang auto-save
Over
yan?
here.
sabi nga dito,
Ayan,
dito daw sa
pwede ka ata
system
mag-save dyan.
nakikita.
Tama. Options, yun yung pinakadulo. Ay, save.
Ayan.
Ayun, save.
Ayan, save na.
Head inside your room so you can grab yourself a weapon.
Ali, iba yung napindot ko. Okay na yan?
Okay na. Yeah, okay na. Okay na.
Auto-save yan.
Bye!